In this video, we will cover cycle graph navigation, specifically working with time ranges, within the RJG CoPilot software. When viewing the cycle graph, if you look down at the bottom of the screen, you can see the current range of time for this view. In this example, the time range goes from 0 to 25 seconds. You have the option to view a particular range of time in the cycle by selecting the Select Time Range button at the bottom of the Curves panel. This brings up a slider bar, indicated by the teal circles on either side of the slide area. You can select a slide end and drag it either in or out to select a specific time range. For our example, we will stop the slider end at 16 seconds and let go. With the 16 seconds selected with the slider bar, we can now select Done to confirm the selection. As the cycle runs, we can see at the bottom that the time range has now changed to the 16 seconds we selected. We have successfully changed the view time range to zoom into that portion of the cycle. You can also view even tighter time ranges by adjusting both sides of the slider bar, as in the example shown here. Here, we've moved both the beginning and ending slider to select the portion of the cycle between approximately 4 seconds and 11 seconds. Thank you for watching this video regarding cycle graph navigation, working with time ranges, within the CoPilot software. For further assistance, please refer to the product manual or contact our customer support department at support@rjginc.com or by calling 1-800-472-0566.